Not good.
It's all from the lake, the rivers. Jeez, that's water.
Jeez, it's got higher. Jeez.
Oh my God. Go slow, slow, slow.
Ooh, look at that side.
Because the taxis are totally submerged.
That's even higher.
Give it a good of how high
It's
it is.
up to the sidewalk, the sidewalk there.
Oh, are
Look
we
in
okay?
there.
Us, look at this.
Oh, we're fine.
They have canals out there, and oh my gosh,
It's
they covered
above
this side.
the sidewalk. And it would be like that.
I never knew this is gonna be happen.
We're not going to Denajoy today.
Look at your shoes. This is just pretty scary.
Oh, look at the big truck down here. He's good. Towing a car.
Much more. Yeah.
We gotta find the hospital now.
Yeah, like look at this. It's
Pumping.
all sandbagged here.
Mom, did you see that guy? Did you see that guy? Can I take this? Are we in the flood? Oh, I never knew we were in the flood. Mom, can I turn on the camera? Yeah, I never knew we were in the flood. Mom, can I do some videos there?
You know what? This bus driver's been awesome. That's uncomfortable.
Yeah, you should be able to now do something because
I'm videoing.
Over there.
Is that the military garden?
Yep. No, that's the. Man,
Yes, it is.
it's coming out of there. There's just.
look at that.
Us to go so that they can get that guy out. Jeez, it's like up to their knee. I can't see where it's up to on the car.
On the window.
Where is it, Leah?
It's like almost to the top of the tire.
Well, the top of the tire means it's above the doors.
Okay, so it's not above the doors. It's like, here's the top of the tire. It's like right here.
Dang.
Hey, does anybody
See.
want McDonald's?
Jet ski in there. There's our military nursery that's completely underwater.
Well, at least they don't have to water for a while.
No buying plants today.
Is there a jet ski in here? Military garden. Mom, look how far down.
Well, all right then. We're sloshing through. Whoa!
Almost about 5 feet high. Mom, how high is it this high?
It's so hard.
How high, Mom?
It's pretty high, kiddos.
How high? Tell me the number of feet. Tell me the number of feet.
Daddy would know. A meter?
No, a meter is 3 feet.
Half a meter?
Probably half a meter.
About half.
All the people.
Trying to slow down so you can get this video up here.
Yeah.
Why do we have to have a flood?
Well, what's happening, Abby, is the, oh, here we go.
They're all the news.